Hi friends, I am Chitra, SEBI-registered research analyst. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn moving average and how can we use the moving average in our trading. Okay, so moving average is a simple indicator used in trading to identify the market trend by averaging the prices over the certain number of candles. So basically, if the price is trading above the moving average, it is bullish, and if the price is trading below the moving average, we can say that the particular instrument is looking bearish. Okay, and if the price is consolidating in the moving average, we can say it is sideways. So what are the different types of moving averages? First is MA. MA is moving average and SMA is simple moving average. EMA for exponential moving average. WMA for weighted moving average. VWMA is volume weighted moving average. RMA is relative moving average. So these are the different types of moving averages. Next is like how can we use the moving average in our trading? Okay, so based on our trading style or based on which type of trader we are, we can use different types of moving average. Okay, say for example, if you are doing intraday trading, you can use 5 moving average, 20 moving average. Okay, and based on that you have to select the time frames as well. So based on that moving average, if the price is staying above the moving average, okay, we can come to a conclusion that the trend is looking uptrend. We can tell that the market is bullish and it is an uptrend. Similarly, if the price is trading below the moving average, then we can assume that the trend is, we can come to conclusion that the trend is looking bearish, or we can tell that it is a downtrend. Okay, so if you are doing swing trading, okay, so you'll be using higher moving average and you will be using the higher time frame, like 1 hour time frame. In that time frame, if you are using 20 moving average or even 50 moving average, in that case, if you are getting any rejection from that particular moving average, and you can see that the price is facing multiple time resistance at that particular level, so in that case we can understand that the particular instrument is looking weak or the trend is looking downtrend. Okay, so likewise we can use the moving averages. Next is like how can we use the moving average as dynamic support and resistance? In this case, the price is looking bullish and price is taking support at the moving average. Okay, so in an uptrend, the price will bounce back to the particular moving average and it will take support at this moving average, and we can see a good up move at that particular level. So here we are using the moving average as dynamic support and the resistance, and this moving average is not static. That is, it will not stay it will not stay in one particular price. It will keep moving and it is dynamic based on the price movements. Okay, and next is like if the trend is super bearish and it is a downtrend, then in that case price will bounce back to this particular moving average, and once this price is facing resistance at that particular level, then we can see a reversal from that particular level. Okay, so this moving average we can use in our trading to understand or to know what is the resistance and the support in our trading. So it will be helpful to do our trades based on if you are doing intraday or scalping, whatever trades we are doing, it will be helpful to do our trade. Okay, to understand what will be the next resistance and what is the next support, everything we can understand by using this moving average. We can use this moving average in different ways also. So now we can see how to use the moving average in different ways, like moving average on high, low, open and close price. Okay, so based on the price, that is based on the price of candles, high, low and close, and also the open. Okay, different sources, how we are looking into how the moving average can be used in different source. Okay, first is like moving average of close, that is calculated using the closing price of each candle based on the time frame. Okay, say for example, if you are looking into 5 minutes time frame of that particular candle, 5 minutes candles close price gives a good presentation of the where the market ended each period. That is good for trend identification, and as well as we can use that for trading. Okay, general trading. And moving average of open price based on the open price calculated using the opening price of the each candle, and it can be useful for studying the market sentiment, that is market sentiment is bullish or bearish at the start of the each candle, and specialized strategies and market opening analysis also can be done based on the opening price of the moving average. Then moving average of the high, that is closing price high, that is calculated using the high price of each candle, then act as the dynamic resistance level as well as a support level, and identifying the break levels and resistance zone. Next is moving average of low, is that is calculated based on the low price of the each candle. So these are different ways that we can use the moving averages. Okay. So this is the Nifty chart. Okay, so here I have added two moving average, that is exponential moving average 2 I have added. Now go to the settings. Okay, under the inputs length I have mentioned it as 20 moving average, so I'm going to show with the 20 moving average. Under source there are many options, so we are going to add the high, and the next moving average I'll be showing with the low. So here we have to select the high. Okay, and under the style I have mentioned the high, that is source code as high, I have mentioned the color as red in color. Okay, now go to the next moving average, that is 20 moving average only I have mentioned. Inputs under length it is 20, and source I have mentioned low. In the first exponential moving average I have mentioned it as a high, now I have mentioned it as low. Okay, this color under EMA I have mentioned the color as green. Okay, so now we can see this, this is looking like a channel. Okay, so we can see here. Okay, this is looking like a channel. So the particular channel will act as the support and resistance when we are doing our trading. So it will be very helpful in our trades. So we can add the pivot point also in this moving average. So it will be easy to understand. Okay, so for this particular day, okay, when you see here the first candle, that is a pin bar candle which is trading above the 20 moving average high and the low. So when moving average high, how it is calculated? Moving average high is calculated using the candles high, that is the 20 moving average, and moving average low is calculated using the candles low price. Okay, so here if the price is trading above both the moving average, that is 20 moving average high and low, in that case what it indicates? It indicates that there is a strong bullish momentum in the market. So when the price is trading above the moving average high, it indicates that there is a strong bullish momentum. Okay, and when there is a pullback towards a particular moving average, in that case also it indicates that there is a bullish momentum. Okay, so when the price is trading below or else if the price is trading in between these two moving average, in that case it indicates that it is a sideways market. Okay, so when there is any rejection from this particular moving average, that is high and low, in that case it indicates that there is a strong bearish momentum in the market. Okay, so here we can see that. Okay, below this we can see that there is a strong rejection, and when we can see that there is a strong red candle below this 20 moving average low also, we can understand that the momentum is bearish, the bearish trend. So I have shown with the example of 20 moving average. Now I am going to show you how can you add the 50 moving average also in the same manner, and you can use the any time frame. Okay, here I have shown with the 5 minutes time frame. You can add you can trade using 15 minutes time frame also. Okay. So here in this day we can see that there is a gap down, and after that we can see that there is a particular red candle. That is because this moving average or this channel will act as the support and resistance. You can use this as a support and resistance when you are entering into the trade. So we can see that there is a strong rejection candle from the particular moving average, and after that we can see fall from that particular level. Again we can see one green candle which gave a close above the 50 moving average low and high. So this this particular green candle took support at this particular moving average, and after that we can see nice up move. Okay, again the next day we can see that there is a rejection from the moving average, and after that we can see that there is a fall, and again this green candle which gave a close above the 50 moving average, and after that we can see good move in the market. So likewise you can use any moving average. So I have shown with the 20 moving average and the 50 moving average. So you can use even 100 moving average or even 200 moving average. Okay, this is my Telegram channel, Trader Chitra. So here I used to share regularly the Nifty trading calls and live market levels for Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty and Sensex. Okay, so if you're interested in getting the real-time market updates and trading insights, then you can join the Telegram channel. Link I'll be providing in the description box below. So today morning I have shared the Nifty put, okay, by 9:19 a.m. and almost all the targets got achieved. Okay, and I shared the Bank Nifty and Sensex live levels also. Also, I'm conducting a CPR training program on June 6th, 7th, June 13th and 14th. So in this training program, I'll be covering CPR, pivot points, camera pivot points in detail, and market structure and intraday trading setup. So if you are interested in learning trading and want to build confidence in your trading decision, then you can ping me in Telegram or in WhatsApp.